I'm Simon, the business manager here at Nelspray. We've just bought a Strata well cleaner and really excited about how it's working for us. Nelspray has been built on building quality equipment. That's the key driver that Tony stands behind and the company stands behind from day one. And quality is always, you can never achieve the pinnacle of quality. You can always just strive for continuous improvement, and that's what we're doing at every step along the way, is going, okay, what's the next part that we can improve on? And the processes that we're talking about today are sort of one of the factors that, like, okay, here's a section of the business and a section of the process that we can improve on. And it may sound like a small thing to a lot of people who don't know the context of it, but if it helps improve efficiency and improve the quality of the output, then those are the gains that we're always looking for. We're the only company in the world that manufactures equipment to go into MDF, particle board and OSB lines. And there's spray systems that sit in the path of where the wood fiber mat is being manufactured. So it gets onto essentially a conveyor belt, and we apply a chemical called a release agent to either the fiber mat or to the steel belt as it's going through these big continuous presses to form the fiberboard. Previous processes that we had, much more manual process of pickling, where the engineers would dip the brush into the pickling fluid and then coat it on, and then have to get the hose and rinse it off, and then dip it back into the fluid. And generally the process of having to go backwards and forwards to do that was time consuming and was leading to a product that wasn't finished to the quality that we needed to achieve. And so from what I've seen, and I mean, I've had a go with it as well, it was so easy to just pick up, and with the chemistry from the actual cleaning head itself, and being able to rinse that and get it straight off, just straight away. Press a button and you're off and away. One of the, in seeing and reviewing the decision, I mean, the improvement of the two canisters on the top, the various liquids or the chemistry was really convincing in terms of how it worked as a process for the guys. In terms of making the decision, I mean, it was based on the recommendation of our engineering team that they made the recommendation to buy it. In terms of our customer satisfaction, us being 100% export oriented, is that you have to deliver something that's quality and that people are pleased with when they open up the box. When they're spending a couple €100,000 on something, they want to see quality coming out of the box. And from a business perspective, it's end-to-end quality of what we do. We purchase really good components to go into it. We have good processes internally for the design work and the engineering work that goes into it, as well as then the metal work when we receive it from fabricators or from the laser cutters, and that then flows into the welding and the cleaning of the welding. So from end to end, we're always 100% focused on quality, and that's what this tool does for us. We're undertaking an extension of our workshop out the back there, and as part of that, we'll be needing to expand our welding capability and capacity. So we'll definitely be looking at Strata welders for replacing some of our equipment as we continue to grow. Yeah, it's going to be exciting times.